Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet, Miami, Florida. I'm your host BG from the Drain Plug Mafia channel in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back down here at the inlet. And this is not a good combination for Haulover today. It is the Key West poker run from the Florida Powerboat Club, so we've got a lot of big boats with a ton of horsepower just manhandling their way into the inlet. And of course, to top it off, we've got calm conditions. Let's see if Haulover's got something it can throw at some of these boats today to try and make it a contest. But let's go ahead and get this 5-round competition started, and we'll move into the first round, where we're going to have a cigarette stepping into the ring to try and do battle with Haulover. And man, I'm not sure this is even going to be fair today, but let's see how these boats handle it. And if this is any indication of what's to come, Haulover's likely in big trouble today, as that cigarette just annihilated the inlet, and the inlet doesn't have a whole lot of fight in it. But let's go to round 2 and see how the boats fare here, as we've got a boat making its way out. Oh no! Wifey goes down! They haven't even made it into the channel yet. They hit a yacht's wake, and Wifey wipes out and goes down. Here we can see it. She hits the wake. Next thing she knows, she's airborne. Right here, the look on her face says it all. She knows she's in trouble. She goes down. She does wind up getting up, and everybody appears to be okay, but hubby, well, I think he's having a little too much fun with this, because the look on his face is one of pure excitement. Unfortunately for this crew, with Wifey going down, they're going to take a loss for the boats in the second round. And here in the third round, we're going to feature another one of the Florida Powerboat Club guys making their way back from Key West. They had calm conditions today, so a lot of the boats chose to run offshore versus the inside, and those guys who went offshore probably got the luxury of a great ride, being able to run at speed. And once again, another large powerboat making easy work of Haulover today, and that'll put the boats up 2-1 as we head into the fourth round of our competition. Haulover's going to have to throw a curveball to really get back into this contest, and here we go, another powerboat making its way out. Oh no! This crew's lost a life jacket, but here's the real problem with this one. They lost the little girl's life jacket, and let's be honest, that life jacket probably should have been on her. But here this crew's going to slow down because it's not the same as an adult life jacket. They need to go back and get it because it's probably the only kid's life jacket they have on board. In other words, they won't be following Coast Guard regulations at that point in time. But once again, the girl should have probably been wearing it. I'm guessing maybe somebody just forgot to put it on, but here we go, the crew comes back. This is not something we typically see at Haulover. A lot of these things get left behind, but once again, this crew just had to come back and go for it. Let's see if they can make the pole. And success on getting the little girl's life jacket back, but you guys know how I feel about kids not wearing life jackets going through Haulover, so unfortunately for this crew, even though they make it out and get the rescue, I'm going to have to give them the loss in this round, and that'll bring us to a 2-2 tie as we head into the fifth and final round of the competition. Who'll take the win? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? And here we have a checkmate making its way out of Haulover, and he's having a bouncy ride. Our guy winds up taking several smacks. For some reason, the boat just wouldn't hold itself up on step, and my man's gonna have to slow down, and I'm gonna have to give him the loss, and Haulover's gonna take the win in this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet, my channel Drain Plug Mafia, where we do some great comedy boating videos there as well, and of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens to the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.